And a trick that I learned so you're not pulling at the nape.
Too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. Need you diamonds and pearl. Oh baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I pick them all in yours.
Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. Say hey, Junie. Hey y'all, how are you? I thought I would bring y'all a tutorial on how I do my slick back buns. Obviously it's still in a ponytail right now, but I will show y'all exactly how I got my hair like this because I do have to go to a game in like a couple of hours. Like I have to get there super early. I hope y'all watched the last vlog. I gave y'all a 30-minute vlog. I'm trying to get into the habit of making longer videos for y'all. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it if you did watch it. If not, I will link it in the card so you can go check it out. I'm gonna finish drinking my Beauty tonic, grab something to eat, and then let's get ready for the game. I really don't even know what I'm wearing yet. I have a package that's supposed to be delivered between 1 and 5. I have to be there at 4:45, so hopefully it's delivered in the next 30 minutes to an hour. Hopefully, if not, I do have a backup fit. But I'm excited to go to this game. It's the first home game, I think, for the Dallas Mavs. And I get to go with Buki, so let's get into this vlog. Okay, before y'all start clowning me, I know it's giving either Wednesday or Polar Express, but just trust the process. I banded my hair last night after I washed it so that I can at least like stretch it a little bit. Let's just get into this slick back bun. I feel like I haven't really given y'all a tutorial on how I do my slick back buns. So I'm trying to figure out which bun do I want to do. Do I want to do a side part? Do I want to do like the 3-part bun? I don't know yet. I get so tired of my hair that I'm like, I need a break. I need a break. And so I'll go to a slick back for like a week and then I'll miss my hair. Hi, Junie. Yeah, so this is my hair, kind of stretched out. I feel like slick backs, depending on the look I'm going for, like certain outfits, I feel like my curly hair it just doesn't give, you know, depending on the outfit. I'm actually going to a basketball game tonight. I know a leather jacket hates to see me coming, so I might wear that tonight. Or I have this denim vest that I might wear, and I just feel like a slick back will definitely give the look what it needs and not my hair being out. So that's what we're gonna do. My hair is getting so long. Let me show y'all everything that I use for my slick back. Let me go get it. My go-to product for a slick back is this Bath & Lather Edge Control Gel. I will link that on this video because it's something you need. And then we have the Olive Oil Eco Style Gel, the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. I'm literally running out of this. The big rubber bands, like the jumbo rubber bands, thick. I got these from just the beauty supply store, local beauty supply store. Rat tail comb, Tangle Teaser just to like smooth any bumps, if any. Let me decide what kind I want to do. I don't know, I feel like I always do the side part, but the side part is just so cute. And also like Buki loves the side part one when I do it like that, so let's do it. Obviously, I'm gonna give myself kind of like, not too deep, not a super deep side part. Yesterday, I washed my hair with the ouai, I think it's called ouai. I'm just gonna say ouai for now. I used this detox shampoo. It's like super squeaky clean, and then I followed up with the thick hair shampoo. This shampoo is more hydrating, so I was like, let me just shampoo twice, and followed up with this one. Then I followed up with the thick conditioner from them as well. Like, I have no more in here. I actually made a video using these two products. I will link that in the cards and y'all can check it out. But overall, my hair was so smooth and felt so clean, and I literally used this whole system, so 10 out of 10. I felt like doing this on stretched, like detangled hair is the best option. I'm gonna use the Eco Styling Gel first, and I'll take my brush, just put it in there, and I'll just apply it everywhere. Okay, waves, get into the waves. Now it's time to like gather all of it and like just put it in the pony. And then I'll pull out like what I want to use for like edges. I can literally get it all in one take. I'll be tired afterwards though, not gonna hold y'all. Use this if you have any bumps. Take some more gel. This baby tress edge brush. And I'm gonna go in with some of the Baskin Lather edge gel and make sure I hold my edges so that these aren't getting in there yet. I'm gonna go in with the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. You want to make sure you are using cold air when you are molding the ponytail. Let's make it tighter. And a trick that I learned so you're not pulling at the nape, put your head down like this, and then you want to secure the elastic, hair tie, anything that you have so that you're not having so much tension right here. Perfect. Like the ponytail is the most challenging part, and we got it done. Now it's time for the fun part. Depending on the day, sometimes it's not fun because they don't be cooperating all the time. Some edge gel. I need concentration, okay? And silence. Now that everything is all spick and span, I like my ponytails to be curly, so I'm gonna go in with the 808 base gel from the Doux as well as the Mousse Def. These two together, and I'm gonna dry it and then turn it into a bun. All right, I've also done a wash and go with these two products and I love the result, and I will link that in the description so y'all can see what that looked like. I love these two products together. It's literally gonna be in a bun, so I don't need a lot of product. I literally did 2 pumps of that, and I'll probably do 2 pumps of the mousse. I'm gonna go sit under the hooded dryer for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and diffuse it. Okay, now that it's all dry, I'm just gonna go in with this Orbe Gold Lust nourishing hair oil just so that my bun can be shiny. I just decided to do a little blush, like not too much. I'm gonna put my hair up in this bun right now. I'm gonna use one of these big rubber bands again. I'm just going to flip. This is the final look of the bun. I'm so glad that I decided to go with this slick back because like I said before, sometimes a leather jacket calls for a slick back and I am wearing jeans. So I just felt like a slick back and some shades, some pumps is really gonna bring this look together. I'm gonna show y'all the fit. Okay y'all, so this is what I am wearing tonight. I'm having a denim moment. I got some denim jeans, denim pumps, denim bag, and then this cute leather and denim jacket. Let's go to the game. I hope the fit is giving to y'all. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial of how I get my slick back buns, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.